What's up, guys? So taking a look at the crude oil chart. Now we have been consistently trading above the 9 EMA since May 25th, and the RSI is almost touching the 70 level. But if we look back since the beginning of the year, we went outside the purple box a couple of times, which means we could still go higher. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we have formed here a higher high, while on the RSI we have formed a lower high, which would indicate that we could pull back to maybe back to the 9 EMA, which is roughly at 66. So, which means that we could still see a move to the upside, but if we somehow manage to get to 71 something like that, somewhere in this area around, why can't I see the ups? Well, let's change it to the daily. So if we manage to go to somewhere around 71 and maybe put the stop loss at around, let's say, 72. So let's make it a $1, €1 space, and let's say we target, well, if we target 68, we would have a risk reward of 3.7. So even if you just drop back to 70, well, where is my entry? 71, 18. Well, let's say we would target 66. Now we would have a risk reward ratio of 5.6. So the trade is still a couple of cents away from what we want it to be, because we rallied today until 70, well, almost 70, 60, which means we would only need about 40 to 50 cents to reach our entry. We are currently pulling back. However, that doesn't mean that we can't go higher, because on the 1 hour chart we are stuck. Well, I guess I would have to look at the weekly chart, or maybe the monthly chart. What is the weekly? Well, we are kind of finding support at the 70 area. So maybe we could even see a similar pattern to what we did see here, which means we could maybe even go to 72 and then drop, because we dropped. If we take a look at the chart back in 2018, we rallied to 72, 60.50, and then we dropped all the way to 64, which means we could see a similar move here. So maybe we should readjust our trade and maybe put our stop a little bit higher or give it some more room, or maybe make the entry a little bit bigger. So now the stop loss is around 73, and we would still have a risk reward of, well, if I could only see it, what's wrong with this, of 2.9. So of course the chances are that we might see a pullback from the current highs, but just in case, if we let the day move on and let's see what happens. But I would wait for maybe 71 and above, between 70 and 70, 71 and 72, to take my entry and then short it down to maybe 66 or even lower. Because on the 1 hour chart the stochastic is at 40, so we still have room to go to 0 almost, but this could be just to retest the kind of support area here, and then we could rally all the way up from here. So here somewhere around would be my entry. So anyways, this was the crude oil. Thanks for watching.